ba?
Yan,
So
yan.
choosing between RSI or stochastic, in general tayo RSI. Kasi nako-correlate
Yes.
natin yun dun sa oversold, overbought. So malalaman nyo lang later
Oo.
part.
So ngayon ang topic kasi natin guys is paano natin i-correlate si indicator tsaka si shadow. Alright, so una, i-understand natin what is shadow technique. Si shadow technique is trades from the robot pero ikaw ang pipindot. 100% manual trade ka. So ibig sabihin, you are trading using the bot pero mina-manual trade mo siya. Okay? Mina-manual trade mo siya. And then bibigyan ka ng statistics, ano yung trades ng robot in the past 5 years and the past 10 years na data, no? Pero usually si Shadow 3.0 past 5 years data. So ganito yung itsura niya pag kay Shadow, no? Ang ginagawa, itong pula na yan, ito yung trades ng robot. So example, bumibili si robot dito. For those lang for those na hindi naintindihan si Shadow. Okay? Ito yung market price. Ito yung yellow na yan is the market price. Yung shadow technique is para siyang indicator sense na i-guide ka for your trading. So example, itong color red is the price, tapos yung yellow is your robot entry. Ang tinuturo natin is when the robot enters at the fifth level or the fifth level, papasok ka ng mag-trade, your first trade. Okay? Again, no one can predict the market.